Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to apply for YouTube monetization. So if you have your YouTube channel and you're planning to apply for YouTube monetization, what you're going to do first is go to your YouTube studio, and on the left panel, you should see this earn right here. So you have to click this, and then you will see the requirements needed in order for you to monetize your YouTube channel. So if you scroll down here, you will see this eligibility for membership, supers, shopping. And then if you scroll down, you will see here YouTube Partner Program eligibility. So in order for you to apply for monetization, you have to meet the requirements such as 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 valid public watch hours, and 10 million valid public short views. So once you have acquired or meet this requirement, and then you will be notified with this. Okay, so you have more than 1,000 required subscribers and 4,000 required public watch hours. So all you have to do is to click this apply now. The next thing to do here is you can now open your Gmail because they will send you a notification or a message that you are eligible for YouTube monetization. And you have to fill out some form in order for you to really proceed and continue with this program. However, there are some restrictions to that. So this is my other channel. And if I go to earn, as you can see, I have already met the requirement for 1,000 subscribers. However, still, I need to meet the requirement for 4,000 public watch hours. So as you can see here, it's zero. It's 11 watch hours. So I can see the notification that I can apply for YouTube monetization. So I need to acquire this 4,000 public watch hours or this 10 million public short views in order for me to be eligible. So before, it would be easier for you to know if you're monetized because your content or video will have ads. But now, even if you're not monetized, your videos still have ads or YouTube will allow ads to your video. However, this is how easy it is to apply for YouTube monetization. You just have to meet these requirements and then apply for eligibility or for YouTube partnership. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.